Hello everyone. In the previous video, we went ahead and covered addition formulas on Microsoft Excel. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and cover subtraction formulas on Microsoft Excel. So in that previous video where we did addition, we just went ahead and added up cells B4 through B7. So let's go ahead and subtract it. Let's see what 1200 minus 750 minus 100 minus 75 is. So what we need to do is we have to come over to the cell where we want to go ahead and place that value. So we want to go ahead and place it right here underneath dog food / toys, just like we did before. And same thing as I discussed in that video, you can either type in these numbers like 1200 minus 750 minus 100 minus 75. That'll give you the value that we're going to get here in a second when we actually reference the cells. But the issue is if someone was to change the value of one of those cells, you're going to have to go into this and manually change that number. Whereas if you just reference cells, it's going to automatically adjust depending on what that value of that cell is. So if we want to go ahead and actually subtract these different values, we can go ahead and we can start typing in the cell. So if you don't know how to reference cells, I have a video on it, but you just need to come over here to the letter, so the column. So we're looking for B, and then we have 4. So we're going to subtract B4 minus B5 minus B6 minus B7. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's a few different ways we can do this. We can either manually type it in, just like we did in the previous video, or we can come over here and we can hold Control on our keyboard and then just select it. And then we can come over to our keyboard and then we can look for the little minus symbol, which should be right next to the 0 on the numbers that are above your letters on your keyboard. Or if you look on your numpad, it should be in the top right. So next number is B5. So same thing, hold Control, select that number, subtract, hold Control, select the next number, subtract, hold Control, B7. Okay, now that we have our formula built, it's doing exactly what we want it to do. It's going to subtract B4 minus B5 minus B6 minus B7. We are good to go. Let's hit enter. And you can see if we subtract 1200 minus the numbers below it, it comes out to 275. So that is a quick guide on how you guys can actually use subtraction when building a subtraction formula on Excel.